Hi, I'm back. Okay, so I have my base on and stuff already. I got some stuff from Kaleidos that I want to play with today. I was on their website one day because there was like a million videos in my subscription box in like a week that were like Kaleidos, 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 and I'm like, I've never heard of them before. Sorry, I thought I was gonna burp. So I went on their website and they had like a bundle thing where you could get an eyeshadow palette, a highlighter, and 2 lip products for however much you paid for it. And I was like, cool, a little bit of everything. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette. This is the Futurism 3 Astro Pink. Fancy. Their packaging, I already like looked at everything when I got it. Like this, heavy, which I like. So you flip it out. There's a teeny tiny baby mirror. The only thing I don't like, however, is that the names are on the stupid sheet that I now have to keep or else I don't know the names of the colors. But this is the color scheme that I went for. I really like this blue. This black is really nice. I don't know if you can tell, but it has glitter in it. This one's nice. I'm excited. So let's start playing with this first. I'm gonna start just boring with this brown. So not the lightest of the browns, the darker. And this is, wait, do I have this the right way? Yes, this is Stardust. Why can't you just print him on the, alright. So I'm gonna pick that up. And I'm gonna put this on the outer, like third-ish, and through the crease. Just chucking it in. Just like that. It doesn't even need a tiny bit more. I just don't want you so close to me that I keep getting out of frame. So next I'm going to take the purple, which is Nebula. And I'm going to use that to deepen up out here. So like the outer V. Just kind of whacking it in there for now. Pretty. It's a pretty color. And then I'm going to take the lighter of the browns. These are, I don't know if you can see, they're like a little crumbly, but not awful. So I'm going to take the lighter of the browns, which is called Lunar. And I'm going to use that to blend all these edges. Okay, I'm going to go in with the blue, which is Neptune. And put that, ooh. Wow, sorry, I became speechless. Like, do you see how pretty that is? And that's it dry. I picked it up dry. So it's a little, what's the word I'm looking for? A little, what is the word I'm looking for? What's the opposite of dense? It's like a little, it's not loose. It's not all packed together. But I kind of just want to put it down dry first. So like see where I'm putting it. And then I think I'm going to pick up some more and wet it with my setting spray. Get in real close now so you can see this. Ooh, that's better. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. This is gorgeous. I'm just going to take the brush I used with the purple shade. I'm not picking up anything else, just whatever's left on there, and going over where it meets the blue. So they kind of like meet each other and blend together. And then that same brush that I took the first brown, like the deeper of the browns, just to blend like in here a little bit, like where the blue meets that crease shade. This blue is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna put the purple on the bottom. Should I put the brown on the bottom? No, I'm gonna put the brown on the bottom, the darker brown. Okay, yeah, that's fine. The purple would have been too heavy, I think. And use the lighter brown to blend it. Next, I'm gonna use this. I don't even know how to describe this color. It's like lilac something. This is Light Year. I'm going to use this to highlight. This is another one of those kind of like glitter shades like the blue is, but I don't want to wet it. So I'm just going to use this under my brow. Ooh, that's really pretty. Wow, look at that. I could highlight my whole face with that. I'm not going to, but I could. Ooh, that's amazing. And then right in the inner corner. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, all this next stuff I'm going to do off camera. I'm going to take the black, excuse you, which is Cosmos, and I'm going to use that as like wing liner. And I'm going to do this off camera because I know it's going to take me 800 years to do it. A little crumbly. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put black liner, you know, where it goes, put mascara on, and then we'll be back. All right, here are the eyes done. This wing, beautiful. This wing could use a little help. We're ignoring that. The black isn't as black as I thought it was going to be, maybe if I used it wet, but I still like how it looks as liner. And then also, can we talk about, look at this eye. This one's okay. I got a lash lift and I didn't even have to curl my lashes. Do you see how high they are? They're like touching my eyebrow. This is my bad eye, but these lashes, A+. Okay. Let's move on. Back up a little. Back up. Keep backing up. Okay, so palette. Yes. I need to contour and bronze and put blush on before we can do the highlighter. Okay. Contour real quick. I'm using my Cover FX face palette. I'm going to use my Cover FX, this one's Sunkissed bronze. I'm just going to use the matte shade because I want any glow on my skin to be coming from that highlighter. So I'm just going to bronze, a little bit of blush. This is just my Mood Exposure from Hourglass because, like, look at these eyes. We cannot have a colored blush on right now. And then a little bit of the finishing powder just to blend everything together. And then we'll put the highlight on. Okay, so this is the Space Age highlighter. I hate, look at how big that is. I hate this packaging because, like, it doesn't need to be like that. But okay, so that's that, and it looks like it'll have like a pink, oops, like a pink shift or something to it. I don't know. Oh, okay. I tried not to pick up too much because I didn't know how intense it would be. That's nice. Where's my mirror? Oh yeah, she pink. She got some pink. It's pretty though. That's really pretty. Oh yeah, you can see better on this side with the light. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Ooh. Ooh, she wet. This is, wow, I am galactic goddess right now. Down the nose. And you know this is my favorite place to highlight. I can't see it. There we go. This is really pretty. Wow, I cannot believe how pretty that is. I love that pink. Okay, and then the lip, I got these little pyramids. So I got a Lucid Lip, which I think is like a gloss. Oh yeah, Kaleidos Lucid Lip Gloss. And then Lip Tonic liquid lipstick. Okay, so the liquid lipstick is in the shade Immersion. And then the gloss is in Mesmerize. So I'm going to put the liquid lip on first. Okay, so that's one layer of the liquid lip on. I'm going to give this a minute to dry down, and then I'm going to put another layer on. It's really thin, which I like. But I think because it's so thin, it doesn't have a lot of color. Like, I feel like a lot of my natural lip color is still kind of poking through. So I'm going to let this dry for a second. Maybe I need to shake this up too. And then I'm going to put another layer on. I think because it's so thin, it'll layer on top of itself fine. Oh, there's a fluff in my nose. But yeah, it was just really thin, and I felt like I wasn't getting a ton of color payoff from it. Alright, I put the second layer on, and it's still kind of drying, but I don't know. Something about, maybe it's just the color. I just feel like my lips are just, my regular lips are just hanging out. I don't know, but I'm trying to let this dry a little bit, and then I'm going to put the lip gloss on top, the Lucid Lip in Mesmerize. Oh, my hands are sweaty. Okay, gloss is the same color. She a little thick. I don't think I like that. I don't think I like how thick it is. Okay, let me spray my face. So here is the final completed look. Love the eyeshadow palette. Love the highlighter. The lip stuff I'm not too sure about. The liquid lipstick, really thin, and it might just be the color, like the color is too similar to my actual lips. I don't know. Gloss, thick. It's not sticky, like I'm not sticking together, but she's thick, and I don't think I like that. But the highlight and the eyeshadow, those are the real stars of the show here. That's amazing. So yeah, now I'm trying to fix my hair. That's it. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know if you've tried anything from Kaleidos, and like if you feel how I feel with the lipstick. Is it this? Is it all? Are they all like that? Is it just this one? I don't know, but let me know. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, because I just keep looking at my eyes in the highlighter. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.